Hi everyone, it's Nisha. Look what I've got for you today. I have the Revolution, the Emily Edit eyeshadow palette. I just wanted to say that I am so happy for Emily. She deserves it so much. I think she's been here on YouTube for 11 years. I've watched her for years. I don't know Emily personally. I've never talked to her. I never leave any comments on the big YouTubers channels that I watch, and that is simply for the reason that I don't want people to think that I do it because I want them to notice me or give me a shout out. Do you know what I mean? I don't want to be accused of that. So I don't ever, maybe very rarely, would leave a comment on a much bigger YouTuber's channel. But a lot of you probably don't know this. Emily's done something, unknowingly probably, something very nice for me once. And I don't know if it was a couple of years ago. She obviously watched one of my videos, which was baking, under eye baking for mature women, and she was trying my technique, and she was nice enough to mention me and actually leave my link in her description box, which is so nice to do. I was much smaller then, and I got so many more subscribers because of her shout out, and my video got lots of views, so I was very grateful. And I think then I left a comment under that video thanking her for mentioning me. So she probably will never know how much that meant to me. Emily is just so honest, just a normal girl that loves makeup, loves her family. You can definitely trust her reviews. So I am so proud of her and so happy for her. And I also love that the Makeup Revolution worked and collaborated with someone, I don't want to say mature, but you know, someone that is over 30, that is not 18, 19. I've said it so many times before that the older community, beauty community, if you're over 30, I mean the beauty companies, beauty industry is not really interested in you. And I don't know why that is, but that's just the way things are. Anyway, so after saying all that, what I've decided to do is do a week with the Emily Edit. I will really try. So here is the palette. So basically what I'm going to do is every day this week I am going to post a video doing a makeup with Emily's palette. I don't know if it'll be just 5 days or if I manage 7. It's gonna be hard work and hard going, you know, trying to record every day and upload it and everything. So let's talk about the palette. I think it's very pretty. It's just a really steady plastic, beautiful blush pink color with gold letters. It is nice and big. It has enormous mirror, as big as the palette. That is so great. And 24 shades. So at first when I saw this palette, I thought they are beautiful colors, but there is quite a few green ones. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, almost 5 green colors, and I never really use it, but I thought, do you know what? First of all, I really want to support Emily, and this is so typical Emily, those colors, typical Emily. And I thought, do you know what? I need to get out of my comfort zone and start using different colors. And I really wanted to try this palette. I love it that the names are all printed on the actual plastic. And if you watched Emily video when she's talking about her collaboration, every name has a really lovely meaning, every name of every shade. So yes, today we're gonna do look 1. And today I probably will go a bit safe. I will go with something neutral, and then as the week goes on, we get a bit more daring. So again, thank you, Emily, what you've done for me a couple of years ago, and congratulations. I'm really, really happy for you. So like I said, we are going to go a bit safe. This is very first time I'm using this palette. I haven't even swatched it. So I'm not going to be lifting maybe this palette because it's quite big. It's got this mirror. I don't want to blind you. I will just mention the names I'm using. So if you have this palette, it's so easy to see which is which. But I'm gonna start with Prayer. There is not much, they don't kick up much dust when you put your brush in it. Pigmented. I know Makeup Revolution eyeshadows because I remember I bought loads of Makeup Revolution palettes when they first came out, and they're not even called Makeup Revolution anymore. They called just Revolution Makeup now, I think. And this palette is £15 for 24 shades. That is just amazing. Okay, so this color looks very warm, sort of sunset orange, although it doesn't look very orange in a pan. It's very pretty. And now I'm going to go into Juice Paid, and I'm going to put that in my crease. It's a darker brown. Yeah, the texture of these eyeshadows is much stiffer, you know, they are not like really creamy and soft, but as you can see, you still get the payoff. And sometimes, I've told you, I don't mind that when you need to build up the shade a bit more, especially if you're not a makeup artist, and I'm not a makeup artist, but obviously I've been using eyeshadows for years. But if you are not so experienced at using it, you will appreciate that because you're not depositing like loads and loads of shadow on your eye and get all the fallout. So it is very nice that you can slowly build it up. And now I'm going to go into Good Vibes. That looks like a really beautiful color. This is beautiful shimmery eyeshadow. Here you don't get any fallout from them, which is nice. This is really, really nice. I bet you could make it even pop more if you wetted your brush. I love that sunsetty look. It's very, very nice for blue or green eyes. Now I'm going to take Top Story, which is a gold shimmery eyeshadow, and I'm going to put it in my inner corner. Did I just say that I'm going to do a safe look? My looks don't ever look like everyday natural. Natural looks. It's just because I love playing with eyeshadows, and if I have such big choice, I feel like I want to put them all at once and on my eye. I think I might go to Apartment, which is a very dark brown, and deepen my crease. I'm going to take Good Vibes again and go on my lower lash line with it. Now I'm just going to blend out the top. I might put tiny bit of Oh Heavens right under my, oh, that's beautiful. That's beautiful and very pigmented. Oh Heavens. I feel like I might put it in here. And I think that will be my look one. I just put mascara on, my Nib and Fab mascara. Okay, so I just stabbed myself with mascara and smudged it here, so ignore that. But that's my first look. I love it. It came out really nice. It's something that these colors, you know, I wear a lot, and it looks beautiful. Okay, my lovelies, so I hope you like this look. So this concludes our first part of week with the Emily edit. Oh my god, I'm scared saying this, but now I've committed, so here we go. Thank you so much for watching and stay fabulous. Bye.